Welcome to Honeyman Hardware Lofts. I'm here to give you a virtual tour of Loft 403. Let's have a look around. Not just a normal studio, this spacious loft has 3 large closets for all of your storage needs. Let me show you around the bathroom. Perfect for getting ready. There's ample counter space, large mirror, and a full tub with a curved shower rod. This kitchen is ready for you to whip up something tasty. We've got lots of counter space with these beautiful updated white quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a nice deep sink, and a disposal. You also have lots of cabinet space as well. The real highlight of this home is that industrial loft feel with high ceilings, polished concrete flooring, those gorgeous pillars, and large windows. This loft faces west and south, so you get great light all day. Thanks again for touring Honeyman Hardware Lofts with me. We hope to welcome you to the community soon.